Zoboomafoo.
It's a cat party!
While walking in the woods one day, Chris and Martin saw something strange. A little leaping lemur who liked to bounce and play. They followed their new bouncing friend, not knowing where this adventure would end. The animals were headed just around the bend.
Where are they going?
I don't know.
How do we get there?
Come on, let's go. Me and you and Zoboomafoo. Come along and see what's new. We're doing the things that animals do. New animal friends to see. Animal Junction's the place to be.
Elephants charging, baboons are leaping. Wild dogs running and nobody's sleeping.
Me and you and Zoboomafoo. Come along and see what's new. We're doing the things that animals do. Me and you and Zoboomafoo. Come along and see what's new. At Animal Junction, we're waiting for you.
Zoboomafoo.
Cats. Yeah, tagged it. Nice climb, Chris. You ready to head back down? Oh, yeah.
Hey, creatures! We're practicing our climbing so we can scale the cliffs like the climbing creatures.
Yeah, but creatures who can climb don't need all these ropes and special equipment.
They're born with everything they need.
Unlike us!
Maybe we should go canoeing.
Or we could call one of the best climbers we know. Want to?
Come on.
Zoboomafoo!
Hey, Zabu! Have you been climbing today? Hey, Zabu's here, and we're gonna have a lot of fun. Come on. Zoboomafoo! That leaping lemur. And what a climber. Hey, Zabu. How you doing, buddy? How you doing? Want a scratch? One lemur snack coming up.
Garbanzo beans.
Hey, Zabu! Hey, Chris!
Thanks, Martin.
Zabu loves garbanzo beans. Yeah. I like the way you chew, Zob.
Give me Zoboomafoo! Hey! I've got a surprise!
What, Zabu?
I can't tell. It's a surprise.
Oh, come on, Zabu. Tell us who you saw.
That's the surprise. Who could it be? Who could it be? This animal who I did see. Can you help me guess this mystery? There were lots of legs and tails all over the place. The legs were a little wobbly, but they were always on the move. Who could it be? This animal who I did see. There were pointy ears, too, and eyes that checked out everything. Who could it be? This animal who I did see. Can you help me guess this mystery? Furry, twitchy-tailed pouncers. Do you know who they are?
I know who it is. But lots of tails and legs.
So many crazy colors. A kitten! Hey, come here, little guy. There's another one. Sitting on the clock.
Mankatsika! Mystery animals are here. And that's not all. There are lots of kittens here. There are kittens everywhere. Everywhere. Wow! Everywhere. Everywhere.
Of course, that's it. It's not one kitten. It's not two kittens. It's not three kittens.
It's tons of kittens.
Yeah, all these kittens are dizzying my mind.
It's kitten chaos. No kittens up my sleeve.
Check your other sleeve.
We'd better gather up these kittens before one of them gets lost.
How do we do that? One at a time.
Let's go look for the other kittens.
They're not always easy to spot. There's one. Here's one.
When you find them, bring them here.
Here's one. Here, guy.
Meow.
Kittens get into the funniest places.
No kittens in here. Just a lemur in a bag.
And here's one. The last one.
Look at them all.
Hey.
They're all together now.
Where are you going?
Come back here, buddy.
This guy's a little wobbly. This orange kitten really likes you, Zobu. She's the only one not exploring.
I guess they're still finding their way around, huh?
Yeah. Well, these kittens are only 7 weeks old.
They're babies.
That's right, Zob, which means their mom probably isn't far away.
Let's watch them until their mom comes to get them. It'll be easy.
Okay, Zob, but I don't think it'll be that easy.
You'll see. It'll be easy, easy, easy.
We'll have to keep a close eye on them. Speaking of eyes, this little guy has light green eyes. Look, Zob.
Wow. Green eyes and really long hairs on his face.
They're called whiskers, and cats' and kittens' whiskers are really good at feeling things.
Hair with feelings. That sounds great.
Yeah, cats' whiskers
Well, and kittens.
and kittens help guide them through tight places at night. They use their whiskers kind of like extra hands to feel things. They're a little ticklish, too.
Huh? That's a big kitten. Look, more kittens.
Those aren't exactly kittens, Zob. They're jaguar cubs.
I can't believe my mind. Hey, guys, cubs want to have fun.
Let's play with them.
Great idea.
You got me. Okay, I give. You got me. Whoa! Oh, I got you back. Nice bounce.
Want to practice fishing? It's tougher in the water, huh?
You leaving? Hey, Chris, Martin, the Jaguars are leaving. Oh, what are you doing? Hey, Martin, here's one of the kittens by the pond. I think I know what she wants. She looks like she wants to go swimming.
Well, she probably doesn't want to go swimming, Zabu, but she might want to go fishing. Kittens are really curious, and this kitten is curious about this catfish.
Catfish? Does she meow?
No, she's called a catfish because she has whiskers like a cat. And like cat whiskers, they're for feeling.
What about the kitten? Will she go in?
Well, house cats really don't like water, Zob. Not like some wild cats, like those jaguar cubs who were here.
Oh.
These kittens will grow up to be house cats, and they'll hunt mice and birds.
They can practice by hunting my tail. Come on, guys, hunt my tail. Come on, kittens, it'll be fun. You can do it. Hey, kitten, that tickles. You play good.
That's what kittens do, Zob. They play, and that's how they learn to be cats. Human kids love playing like cats, too.
Uh-oh. Kitten's getting stuck in my tail.
That's because she has retractable claws.
What's a retractable claw?
This is.
Her nails go in and out.
That's right, Zob. Cats need to have sharp nails for catching and climbing. A retractable claw only comes out when it needs to. That way, they stay sharp. Even big wild cats like leopards have the same retractable claws that dig into the branches of trees when they're climbing. And of all the big cats, leopards are the best climbers. Check out this move.
Guys, look who's here. It's Popper. Popper loves to pop all our balls with his retractable claws and sharp teeth. Guys, save the soccer ball.
We'll try, Zob. We've got to keep it up and out of Popper's reach.
Uh-oh.
Popper popped another soccer ball. Bye, Popper. Pop back soon. Hey, guys, I can't believe my mind. That thing is moving.
It's moving? I know I haven't washed my sleeping bag in a while, but this is ridiculous.
Martin, if it's a sleeping bag, then why isn't it sleeping?
Because the bag doesn't sleep, Zob. We sleep in the sleeping bag.
Then who's sleeping in it?
I don't know. A kitten! Kittens are very curious, like all baby creatures.
Exactly. They're trying to learn about stuff. Just like you, Zob.
Look, I've got a cat crawling down my back.
There's a cat in a hat.
And there's a cat with a rat.
There's a bat, a rat, and a gnat.
Wouldn't it be funny if kittens took over the world?
Yeah.
Then we'd all be kittenish.
I feel different, not the same. This kind of feeling I can't explain. There's only one thing that I can do. I feel kittenish. How about you? Kittenish. I feel kittenish. Kittenish. I'm a paw-swatting kitten playing with some yarn. Kittenish.
Huh?